Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to find Blade in Marvel Rivals. To unlock this iconic vampire hunter, your primary method will be through the game's Seasonal Battle Pass. As you play matches and complete various in-game objectives, you will earn experience points. These points contribute to your Battle Pass progression, allowing you to advance through its many tiers. Reaching a specific tier will grant you access to Blade, adding him to your roster of playable heroes. Advancing through the Battle Pass is straightforward. Each tier requires a set amount of experience points, often around 1,000, to unlock. You'll find that completing your daily missions is an excellent way to consistently earn these points, as they refresh every 24 hours. Additionally, weekly challenges provide significantly larger experience bonuses, making them crucial for faster progression. Make sure to tackle these challenges each week to maximize your gains and reach Blade's tier efficiently. To maximize your speed in unlocking Blade, consistency is key. Playing several matches each day will ensure a steady flow of experience points. Many games also offer small experience bonuses when you play with friends, so consider teaming up. Keep an eye out for any limited-time in-game events, as these often provide opportunities for bonus experience. While not strictly necessary, purchasing the Premium Battle Pass can sometimes offer an experience boost, helping you reach Blade even faster. Once you have successfully unlocked Blade, you can immediately add him to your team. He is a highly effective hero, specializing in close-quarters combat with his iconic dual blades. His kit typically includes abilities that allow for swift movement and powerful, precise strikes. Blade often has ways to apply debuffs to his enemies, making them more susceptible to damage. Mastering his unique playstyle will undoubtedly make you a formidable force on the battlefield, ready to take down any foe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.